learn to do the paper rip transition without a plugin in DaVinci Resolve. So once we head into DaVinci Resolve, the first thing we need to do is to freeze frame the clip and down position the clip just above. Then we need to add a paper edge effect to the clip. Then go over to the fusion page, search for a polygon, add the polygon to the clip, then invert the clip, and now you need to use the polygon to cut out the shape. This will take some time, but once the shape is being cut out, add any paper texture that you have to the merge node and change the mode to overlay. Once that is done, you need to search and add a bitmap. Then position the bitmap properly and connect the clip to the bitmap. This is going to make the paper effect to come out. Then go over and duplicate the clip. Then head back over to fusion page. Once in the fusion page, you need to cut out the part so that it will create an illusion of a paper edge, and to make that you need to give the polygon kind of like a shark teeth. Then take your time, be creative as much as you can. Once this is done, we need to head back over to the timeline, duplicate and another shark teeth, and that is it. So this is how you do the paper rip transition. For more tutorials in DaVinci Resolve, give me a follow and I'll catch you in the next one.